Alright, here we are. I've got my new Lanzar speakers installed on the bike. It's early January 2012. Not too awful cold. What you just heard, I just got a text on my phone. It's hooked up to the speakers right now, so that's what you heard. Alright, I'm going to turn it on and let you guys listen to it. Play. As you can see, it's pretty loud. It's not even turned halfway up. It can really blast. It sounds great going down the road. You can use the volume control on the phone. Use the volume control that I've mounted up in front of the tank. Sounds really good. Thank you to my wife for the nice Christmas present. Love it to death. Alright. Got a RAM mount, X bar mount for the phone. Works really good. You can see it grabs it as an X, pinches it down, will not come out of there. Mounts down to the handlebars with a U-bracket. Speakers are the same. Mount to the handlebars with a U-bracket. Here's the brand, Lanzar. Them are aluminum speaker housings. It's very nice. Mounted the amp under the side panel on the bike. Down under the rocket emblem back behind the motor. Should be good enough airflow to get through there. Keep it cool. 750 watt amp. Very nice. So, alright, I'll take a video on later on today. I'll mount this camera in the phone holder and take a video of my 2012 ride up here in Illinois.